welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be creating a super duper easy and a really beautiful ice cream fan craft. We are going to be creating this and you can decorate your walls with this. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Materials required for this craft is a pair of scissors, any kind of glue that you have. I'm using Fevicol, a ruler, a pencil and colored paper. You don't need many, you just need 2 to 3 colors. Let's get started with the craft. For the first step, we will take any color paper that we want. I'm using this pink color, and then we'll make a paper fan out of it. So for this, what we will do is, we will fold the paper in half like this. Then we will open this and just we will cut this sheet out as half. You can use the tear method or you can also use scissors like me. After you have done cutting your sheet, what we are going to do is, we are going to make a paper fan as I said. So what we'll do is, we will get one corner, fold it like so, then flip over the page and again take the flap down. So we are just going to fold like this till our whole sheet gets something like this. After you are done by folding like this, what we will do is, we will fold this fan in half like this. After it's folded in half, what we will do is, we want to create a circular fan. So we have right now created half of it. Now what we will do is, the next half that you had of your sheet, we are going to repeat this same process. Once you have even the other one done, we will repeat the same thing. That is, fold it in half and then we will stick these two shapes together. I did not mention using a stapler, but you can also use a stapler for, you can do it like this. Just staple that in the middle of this fan. Same for the other one. Alright, we have that, and now we will glue it in a fan shape. So what I'll be doing is, I'll take my Fevicol glue and then apply it on one side for now with a paintbrush. Once you have finished gluing, we will take these two flaps and glue them together like this. After that, we will take our next piece and again apply the glue. After the glue is applied again, we will again stick it to this other fan that we have created. And lastly, for the fan, again take these two flaps and stick them together. And just again stick it. And now we have the paper fan made. Now that we have this finished, we are going to take this same color one more sheet. I have this same color. You should take the respective color of yours. Then I'm just going to take masking tape, and you can use any circular object, and I'm going to trace this circle on here. Like this, and we will cut it out. Done. We have this sheet cut out, and once you see it on your fan, we have to place it on a fan, and this is how it looks. Now with glue, we will stick this sheet to this fan. After you have finished applying the glue, we will take the sheet of paper and stick it onto this fan. Like this. Now we have almost finished this. But we will now move on to the next part, for which you will require a brown sheet of paper. I'm using this purplish brown. You can use any light or dark brown. Then I'm going to take this, and according to this size I'll make a cone shape. And now I'll cut it out. Done. Now we are going to be sticking this cone shape on the back of our fan. And if you want, you can also stick this nicely with tape, but this step is optional. Done. This is already looking so nice. Now I will magically cut out the details. There we have it. I cut one cherry out of red paper and this green stem. So this is how our ice cream fan has turned out. I really like this, and it was super duper easy to make, and just with the limited materials you can make this cute wall decor. You can decorate your room with this, stick it on your wall, and it's very easy. And yeah, this is my journey in this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.